In this video, we will show how to test an application. With an application open, locate the toolbar. From the toolbar, click on the Test Application icon. Before opening ME Station, the software creates a runtime file. This may take a few moments to complete. Notice all the activity in the diagnostics list. ME Station starts and loads the application. Let's test the application. Click the Start button. Click the Stop button. Now let's try the navigation. Click Go to Second. This is an on-top display. To close this display, click Close. Click Go to Third. We can navigate back by clicking the Main button. Let's click Go to Third one more time. This time we will return to Main by clicking Return. Let's try the Go to Second button again. The on-top display appears again, as expected. To close this second display, click Close. To close the application, click Shut Down. Test application can also be terminated at any time by typing X.